Narcotic police station has conducted a very good seizure, wherein we have arrested one African national and confiscated drugs worth around 67 lakhs. In this raid, we have confiscated LSD liquid, which is nearly 65 grams, and MDMA around 20.45 grams, and value of these drugs is more than 66 lakhs in international market. And we conducted this raid somewhere near Saligao, and my DYSP and officers Arun Desai and Madgaonkar, they really conducted well and managed to arrest this accused. We have been tracking this accused for a quite long time, and yesterday we managed to arrest him in a house.
So, accused is a risk of terrorism, nationality.
He is basically from Nigeria, an African national.
Any previous history is there, sir, regarding this case?
See, we are investigating into his previous act, and as per our